another hair review. So stay tuned. So yeah, guys, I am loving this hair. I've been wearing this hair for a month now. I wore it for graduation. I wore it to my trip to Vegas. I wore it to my trip to LA, all of that. Even though LA is only like 2 hours away, but still, I've been wearing this and rocking it different styles. So this hair is from the company Recool hair. Recool hair. And I was very skeptical about getting this hair, but I love it. Look, this is the Brazilian body wave, but I straightened it today. It's kind of waving right now because it's kind of humid outside in San Diego, which I don't get because it usually doesn't get like this. But I love this hair, like the curl pattern. I think I have a picture of what it's supposed to look like when it's in its natural state. Here's a picture of it, and I'll also post a picture from their website of what it looks like too. So I got this in the inches of 22, 20, and 18, and then an 18-inch lace free part closure, which they did not sell. Initially, this hair came with a frontal, but I am not an expert in frontals. I'm still trying to learn, so I've been practicing plucking the frontal. So eventually I will use the frontal, but instead I got a free part closure. Lace closure is the one that goes like that. But I think it blends together really well. This is not the hair's natural hair color. I did dye it jet black, but then it started coming out, I guess. So it's black, but it's not jet black anymore, because I don't like my hair. My natural hair isn't brown, it's black. Well, really dark brown. Sorry, this dress is trying to do its own thing. But yeah, but I really love this hair. It takes curls really good. Again, I went to Vegas 2 weeks ago, and I've been doing like a light wanding of the hair. I was gonna do it for this video, but it's too hot. It's way too hot to do it right now. But here's a picture of it wanded for my graduation. It wands really good, and it lasts me for like 3 days, the wand curls, and it hasn't fallen out. And then today I wanted to try something by straightening it, and it was bone straight, but my back and my neck, they're like sweating because I didn't know it was gonna be this hot today. I don't know if you can see the sweat on my neck or my forehead. Like, I'm really sweating right now. Here's the back. Let me show you where it comes up to. It comes up all the way to my waist. I am 5'4". This camera's kind of close. But I'm 5'4". It comes all the way to here. Look, that's like almost near there. So I'm getting you a little Pocahontas. But here's, oh my God, I need to fix this camera. I'm sorry. But here's the back. Again, it's starting to wave because it's hot, it's humid. This hair is very full. I love the packaging. Like, it was like in a, sorry, I was playing like a little beat in the background, and I guess it finished. But yeah, sorry, I need to cut that off. If I don't edit it, I apologize. But I didn't practice. I don't know if people on YouTube, sorry, I'm going on a rant. Do people on YouTube like do a script and then go over it and then have a script in front of them? Because I guess I'm doing this YouTube thing all wrong, because everything is so unorganized. Like, the camera's super close to my face, which I thought it was fine before, but me wanting to show where the hair is, like, it's kind of hard. There it is again. And then the top of my head, I did pluck the closure. I got this closure from Amazon. You can buy any closure, honestly, but I'm not good with frontals. I tried. I was afraid it was gonna look like a wig for graduation. I wasn't taking any chances, so I just got something I'm used to doing. And I did pluck the hair. I did dye it. Bleached the knots. I did put a little makeup on it. Right now it's a little all over the place. It does come with baby hair. I'll put the link on the bottom, but I'm not reviewing this lace closure. But it does come with baby hair, but I'm not a baby. I do have like natural baby hairs, but my hair is curly. It doesn't blend with this hair, so I don't want to be putting glue in my hair or gel in my hair every single day to get to get baby hair. Like, I'm a grown woman. No baby hair here. But yeah, I really don't have much to say. Like, I had this hair for a month. It is a wig. I forgot to say that. I made a wig. I made a wig out of it. I'm sorry, I'm a little nasally. This video is all over the place. I'm sorry. But I straightened the hair. I curled the hair. This hair is great. It's thick. Like, it's thick. Like, look. 3 bundles of hair. Not 4, not 5. 3 bundles of hair and a closure is all you need with this hair, because I don't know the trim that they put it, or the track that they put it on, they put a lot of hair on it. This hair does not tingle, right? Like, I'm using a brush. I really shouldn't be using this kind of brush, but I don't feel like getting up and going to get the brush, my wig brush. But it does not mat. It doesn't mat up. It doesn't like tingle. You might get a few tugs, but look at this. It does not shed at all. Like, you might get 1 or 2 shedding, and it could be from this cheap closure, but again, like, I'm loving this hair, you guys. You guys don't understand. I love this hair. And I will be ordering from these people again, so watch out for another video of their hair. Like, I'm gonna rock this hair until I can't no more and then give it to my mom. My mom likes taking my leftover wigs and then she revives it and wear it. We got like the same big head size, so it works out. Anyway, guys, before I do anything more, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe and get you some real cool hair, because this hair is worth it. Oh, I didn't even tell the price. I don't remember how much this hair was. I believe it was like $150. I believe this hair was like $150. I'm not really sure, because my sister bought it for me for my birthday. I just gave her a link. I said, I like that hair. I saw somebody review the hair and I was like, I like it. Go get it for my birthday. So that's what happened. But go get you some real cool hair so you could be cool like me. But yeah, guys, look at this. I'm happy. Like, and I don't even wear straight hair like that. You guys see me with my curly hair all the time, whether it's crochet, wigs, or anything. It's always curly, but I'm part of the wave straight crew now. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. I'm cute. I'm cute. My little mamacita dress. I'm cute. Anyway, bye guys.